Alright, this project is a alarm system that was built for junior practicum. We'll go through all the different parts of the alarm and then demonstrate its operation. So here we have a simulated door break with a reed switch and a magnet. This is simulating a glass break sensor. Over here we have a motion detector. This is our siren or speaker. We have a front panel LCD screen right here. This is a secondary panel 7-segment display that tells you whether it's armed or disarmed and what areas have been set off. And then lastly the keypad that allows you to arm and disarm the system. So as you can see now, it's currently disarmed and zone 1 is in fault, which is the front door. So we'll close that, as well as not move, so the motion sensor's set. Now we can arm it, entering in a 4-digit code, and now it's armed. The first step of the demonstration I'll show you now. This is changed to an A for armed, and we're going to go straight to the disarm. Alright, and now it's disarmed. So arming it a second time. Oops. We're going to enter the front door, which is going to cause a 30-second timer to go on. While in that phase, it will not set off the alarm unless somebody was to break the door, or the window, pardon me. The motion sensor won't go off because somebody coming in the door would automatically be in that zone. Okay, so now that this is open, we see that we have a zone 1 fault, and it's going to count to 30 seconds before the alarm goes off. But just for our purposes, I'm going to go ahead and break the glass break. So now you're in full alarm mode, and to turn that off you would set it off, use the same code. And now we're disarmed. I'm going to go back one more time and set it off using the motion detector. Alright, and now we're armed again. And also another note, we have a flashing LED right here which symbolizes our a strobe light which goes off when the system is triggered. So motion detector. Now we're set off in zone 2, and you can see the strobe light flashing. And we'll go ahead and turn it off. And good to go.